Good morning, children. So this is our first class for science. That is, we are talking about science means that is based on the living things and non-living things is the basis of science. Here, in this living beings, it is necessary to survive means that is water and then food. So food is very important for living beings. Okay, so that is we are preparing and plants are preparing by itself. Okay, so from food we are getting so many components. Is it right? You know what are the components of food? Okay, which we are taking. Okay, so what are the components of food? Components. So you saw in your 6th standard class itself. So what are the components of food? We know that is first important thing, that is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. And then carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, then water, and then proteins. So these are all the main components of food. Okay, so which we are taking food, we are getting these components. Okay, these components are, we are saying it as the components of food, or we can say to be nutrition. So what is that? Nutrition. So which we are getting the components of food from the components of food we are eating. Okay, so that is we are getting these components from from the food. So these are the components of food. Okay, so we need food to respire. Okay, we need food to survive. Okay, so that is these components of food, which that is carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, water and proteins. Okay, these are all we can say it is a nutrients of food. Nutrients of food. So what is the use of nutrients? Okay, so nutrients helps us to that is repairs the cells, okay, in our body. It gives energy to us. Okay, so while we are getting energy from which we are eating, okay, that is food. So what are the components in the food? These components are called nutrients. Okay, so these nutrients we are taking, our body need nutrients to survive, to active and to work. Okay, so these are all the nutrients. So what is the way to we are taking nutrients? Okay, the two way, that is one is we are taking from, that is depends on the another things. Okay, that is we are taking from the plants or animals. Okay, we are eating, from that we are getting nutrients. But plants are having nutrients itself only, that is preparing by their own food. Okay, so that is the way of taking nutrients are said to be nutrition. Okay, so first I am telling once again, that is food. We are taking food. Food is very important for living beings. So in that food which is present components of these components of food, that is carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, water and proteins. So these are the components of food. So without these components we can't survive. That is we have deficiencies. So many deficiencies we have without these components of food. So we are taking rice regularly means we are getting only one component of food. Okay, we can't eat only one type of food regularly. We are changing, keep changing by our food habits. That is, morning itself we are eating one kind of food, and afternoon we are changing that, and night we are changing that. That is, by dinner we are changing our food items. We can't eat rice only. Always we can't eat rice, okay, because in that only one component is present. So we want proteins also, and we want fat also, and we want minerals also. So grains, pulses, we are keep on changing by our food habits. That is, by the seasons also we are taking so many changes. That is, we want to eat vegetables, and we want to eat fruits. Okay, so these are all in different kind of vegetables and green leaves. These are all having so many minerals and vitamins. It is present in that. So from that we are getting the equalized nutrients, equalized components of food. So from that we are eating these components, we have energy to work, and we have energy to read, and we want to sit also, we want energy. Okay, so that is, from these components we are getting energy. Okay, so how we are taking food? Okay, the method of taking food, that is, we are depending upon the plants and animals. Okay, vegetables, fruits, these are all we are getting from plants, and meat, these are all we are getting from meat, egg, these are all we are getting from animals. So we are depends upon the others. Okay, the mode of taking food is said to be nutrition. The mode of taking food. Okay, the mode of taking nutrients. Okay, what is nutrition? The mode of taking food. The mode of taking food. We are taking food means here, which all we are taking? Nutrients, that is components of food. Okay, the components of food we are saying it as nutrients. Okay, so these nutrients we are taking. So this is called, the mode of taking food is called nutrition. What is mean by mode? That is method. Okay, type we are saying here. So the mode of taking food is called nutrition. So what are the types of mode of taking food? Okay, two types. What are the types of nutrition? Types of nutrition. What are the types of nutrition? Two types of nutrition are there. You know already in your class 6. One is autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, and another one is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Okay. So that is what is meant by autotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition means that is the food prepared by itself. The food is prepared by itself. What we want to eat, so we want to prepare by itself. Is it correct? We can prepare our food itself. No, our body is not doing like that. Okay, so that is autotrophic nutrition means that is preparing by itself. So for example, plants. So plants are preparing their own food. Plants are preparing their own food. Okay, so here plants prepare their own food by getting water, carbon dioxide and minerals. So there also components of food are present, that is nutrients are present in that. Okay, so plants prepared by water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Okay, so these are all the components of food. So plants prepare their own food by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Now you got to know what is autotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition. So auto means by own. Auto means by own, that is by itself. And trophic means nourishment. Trophic means nourishment. What is the meaning of nourishment? Okay, so plants are preparing their own food by using water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Okay, so by these components, by these nutrients, plants should be grow very well. Okay, that is growth of plants are good. Okay, so what is mean by nourishment here? Now you should understood the growth of plants. Growth and good condition of the plants. If there is no water means the plants should not grow. Okay, so plants are not growing without water or without carbon dioxide and minerals. Okay, so you know that is you are seeing plants in your surroundings, is it right? So there without plants, without water, carbon dioxide and minerals, the plants cannot grow. So these are all the nutrients of the plants. So these nutrients the plants are getting by their surroundings. Okay, so that is water is getting by the surroundings. Okay, we are pouring water to the soil. From soil plants are getting water and minerals. Okay, and carbon dioxide it is from atmosphere. That is these nutrients are which is present in their surroundings. So plants can make their own food itself and it can grow. Okay, so the growth of plants is good condition by the using of water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Okay, so what is mean by nourishment? Growth of plants and good condition of the plants. Good condition of the plants. Okay, so now we know that is nutrition. What is the types of what is nutrition? The mode of taking food. Then types of nutrition. What are the types of nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So what is mean by autotrophic nutrition? Auto means that is itself. Okay, self. So the plants are preparing, example plants are preparing their own food by itself. And trophic means nourishment. What is mean by nourishment? That is nourishes, it grows, the growth of plants. Okay, so the growth is very good in condition. Okay, so that is plants they prepare their own food by using the water, carbon dioxide and minerals. So here we can see so many questions. So what are the components of food and what is the nutrients? Okay, so what is the nutrients of food? Carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, water, proteins. Okay, so these are all the importance, that is nutrients of food. Okay, then nutrition and mode of nutrition. Then what are the how the plants preparing their food by the water, carbon dioxide and minerals which is in their surroundings. Let us see how the plants getting water, carbon dioxide and minerals. Okay,